Hi, my name is Simha Haddad,
And I'm Dennis Laval.
and this is the Real World Model Intensive. I've been a professional model for over 10 years now. I have modeled every job you can possibly imagine, from runway to magazine covers to commercials all over the world, and I can honestly say there is so much I wish I knew about modeling before I got into this industry. And that's why Dennis and I have created the Real World Model Intensive. It is a jump start in any new and aspiring model's career. We are going to go through castings, getting signed, modeling abroad, getting paid, anything that you ever wanted to know about having a successful international model career. You will be a pro by the end of this intensive. And yes, we will cover the walk. You will be pros at walking the runway the industry standard way. And then at the end, we are going to have a professional photo shoot with a full team, hair and makeup.
That's going to be great.
Huge, with an industry-leading fashion photographer, and you will leave with professional photos that every model needs in their book. And of course, I'm sure parents have a lot of questions as well. So after the photo shoot on day 3, you will be invited. We're going to have refreshments, and you can ask us whatever you want. Open book.
Any question is a good question. A lot of times when Q&A comes at the end of seminars that I've taught in the past, parents will say, I know this is a stupid question, and there are no stupid questions. These are your children. I have been entrusted to train kids to teens to adults. I can tell you, after 25 years of training some of the most successful talent in the working world, there are award winners. I have an Academy Award winner, that modeling and acting go hand in glove. So every successful model is approached to be in film and television. And every successful actor, and especially actresses, are approached to land on the cover of Vogue or Elle or any other international publication that the participants of this seminar, I'm sure, are thumbing through right now. My motto, and it's on my business card, is the harder you work, the luckier you get. So with that, Simha, let's get to work.
Let's get to work.